Sharp, man. I know, you look very sharp. Can I grab you? You sorted, yeah?
Oh, I'm sorted. Well, I've sorted because they only let you have one smock. So.
I heard this. This is so annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, it is what it is.
It is what it is, but at least you're sorted, isn't it?
Well,
I love this, man. Super nice. Bam, 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 bam. Hello, sirs.
You get there. You get there.
I may not be able to get up.
This guy's walking out with this guy's walking out with like 6 pairs each.
I won't get the feet because no Adidas, but it's all good. I've got the face.
Okay, if you don't have medium, take small or large. You're on brand, I'm on brand. Yeah.
On brand. Don't worry, it's not official, so it doesn't matter. Peace, man.
Yeah, pretty well out already.
Was ik weet wie wie oh, wie is onze Adidas? It's my Adidas for day. And I look like nice and comfortable. It's great.
La referencia por el corte de la punta. El corte de la punta.
I don't know. Private launch event, yeah. Launch.
Yes, bro. Yeah, what you saying? Yeah. Boom. Where are you already in the queue? Yeah. Oh, I wanted to see if I could grab a t-shirt. I'll jump in, but I don't know if they got it. I want to see if they got any t-shirts. Don't worry, I'll jump in.
You gonna sell it from now or from tomorrow?
All right, nice one. Cheers. From now. Yeah.
He sell it?
Yeah. I'm very good, bro. Shh, don't tell anyone I'm filming.
Yes.
Look, as always, buying everything. Keith, look at Keith.
Fucking rock and roll, man. Everything.
Look, everything, always everything. Gotta love it, guys. Look at the feet. Love that colour, bro. Bit of Gore-Tex, is that Gore-Tex or Cordura? Cordura. Love it. I'm not even supposed to be filming, but whatever.
Oh no, not me. My guy.
Hiding, are you hiding?
What do you say, brother?
Love it. That top is a bit of you though, isn't it? That polo.
Is it?
This one here. Definitely a bit of you.
I'll show.
Do you want to go and find someone? Come here.
No. I want to tell them that bring a cat.
I will go and grab them and tell them to come in.
When she comes in, when they come up, bring it down. I want to tell them say my princess.
I was like, yeah, I'll send you some. He didn't even think about it. I was like, oh, maybe put it on the message.
Yes, yeah.
So I mean, he will always meet this.
me, it's like with the socks around. But it's not
Again, when you ask people what did they buy and they say everything, you know what I mean? I'm not going to say anyone's names, but you've seen him before, he's always a problem. That one over there as well, but we won't say much.
He's a real problem.
I know. I don't want to bait him up in case he's on the phone to the missus explaining what he's just done. But you know, my guy, thank you. This is the guy you got to follow if you want VIP access. I'm just saying, shh, don't tell no one, don't tell no one. Come on, Sean, come on. Thank you, sir. Thank you, man. What a star. Beautiful jacket, innit? I love that. I like your style.
He's my friend.
Hello, sir. And here's my friend.
Here's my
Super
friend.
Keith.
Fucking rock and roll.
Come
man.
on, rock and roll. Come on, son. I'm stealing your idea, you see? You know what I mean? I should come work for you. Come on.
Keith, you got back under there. You got back under there. Oh man, Alex,
yeah. See, I was a bit like, oh, nah. Zach said it had been stuck to the flagship. And I was just like, oh, say that my book. When he stuck to the flagship, he stopped on the that's right there. Managed to get it, man. Come on, man, the black polo. It goes nice together. Yeah. I was going to wear that. Listen to me. I was like, please stop the whole video. I got the, I was going to wear the Offspring Londons as well, but it's a bit rainy. That one. No. Stay away. I kept on seeing everyone
Oh, sorry, sir. I wasn't till now, sorry.
Yeah. Rather than Christmas Eve, come on, man. Really nice kid, and he was and he was walking back from the bar, and he What we were saying earlier, I'm surprised no one's wearing like I'm changing
Yes, my guy. You smoking weed in the place? Yes, brother. I'm like, it's not me for once. Alright, good. Yeah, no, for sure, man. A magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into, remember? Get in, bro. Get in. Come on, you know we're getting in. Don't worry to get them in. I'm not, don't worry, man.
Cheers, boys, cheers.
You know what? Everyone started, no one said it. I wonder what you asked me to do.
I'm on the 9:30 train home. Yeah? Probably nowhere from Someone is definitely taking lead.
I know, and I'm annoyed because unless it's me.
It doesn't matter. Because it could,
I know, this is what I mean, it could be me. It could be me. Alright, gang. I love a tote, you know. I love a tote,
mate.
Yeah, I love a
I've got the
tote.
I wish I didn't bring this one.
Oh yes, I got this one as well. Yeah, I got that one as well. Super nice, isn't it?
You've got to appreciate what this guy's wearing. This guy's coming home, I'm happy. Sharp.
Thank you, bro. Thank
That
you.
jacket there, that jacket's so nice.
Thank you, man. It really, it does.
Yeah.
The light, yeah.
Is that called
Plurimus jacket.
Yeah, that's Plurimus. What's it actually called?
Oh, this is just it's called the not squid. It is squid. Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if you called it a squid, but I think it's called a squid. Yeah.
It's a
Super
banging
nice, man. Yeah.
I
And light
appreciate
as well.
that.
Yeah.
I don't wear much part of the Spezial, but I look at a jacket and I'm like, I like that.
Oh, really?
You've got to appreciate that.
I know. I went.
There's Xeno Foots out there.
Yeah.
So I've got a pair of the Xeno Foots in the ZX8000. So yeah.
Nice. I love that.
This is about
Yeah, I didn't even know about Spezial then. I'm not even going to pretend, because I'm really a night guy, do you know what I mean? So
I'm new to the game.
So
I always wore Adidas, but I never really could afford Spezial.
Adidas was my first brand. My first pair I ever bought, ZX8000 with the torsion yellow bar. That was my first pair. So I was Adidas. Then I looked up and then I had. You got everything, yeah?
Yeah, man. I'll put it on the Insta and we can do it. No worries, you too, mate.
That is like a
God bless
suitcase,
you.
isn't it?
Take care, man. Love the cap, man. Really nice. Tune, right? Bags. Yeah.